Hello friends, welcome to our channel. This is the Ugonna's family. Today's video is all about a natural organic treatment for my 3-year-old daughter Annabelle's hair. Her hair has been feeling dry and weak, so I decided to create a homemade treatment using ingredients from our kitchen and garden to nourish and revitalize her beautiful locks. For this treatment, we'll be using aloe vera, rice, oats, cloves, raw egg, honey, mayonnaise, quicken oats. I'll be using also dogoyaro leaf, also known as neem. Yes, all these ingredients will work together to soften and strengthen Annabelle's hair, giving it that extra bounce and shine. Now I will unravel the weaves in Annabelle's hair before applying the treatment to allow it to fully penetrate and work its magics. So I am combining aloe vera into my blender. I'll be adding my grain of rice. I'll be adding my cloves. I'll be adding my cloves, and the next thing I'll be including is my neem or dongoyaro leaf, also known as neem. Yes, I blended this myself. I dried and blended it myself. I was including my aloe vera. Remember last time I was showing you put my aloe vera pot, so this is what I plan using my aloe vera to do. So this, I'll be including my aloe vera to this homemade ingredient. Yes, so I'm trying to extract the flesh. I'm trying to remove the main aloe vera. You know, these green parts can inch your skin, so, and it's for baby's hair, so you need to be careful what you are including. I will make sure that the green part is not joining what I'm going to blend. I have to carefully remove it. Yes, I'll be including my aloe vera. Now I will go ahead and include my mayonnaise, also known as salad cream mayonnaise. You can use anyone, but I preferably use the one with fatty ingredients. Yes, so I'll be including my mayonnaise. I'm including a small portion. I'll be including my raw egg. I'll go ahead and include the raw egg. So all these are just small portions, so it will not remain, because this ingredient, I don't want it to remain. I want everything to just finish it on our hair. So I will also include my honey, 1 spoon of honey. All this I'm collecting a little portion because we are not going to blend with water. So I'll be including my 1 spoon of honey. I'll also include my onions. Yes, the smaller size. I include my onions. This I'll divide into 2 because it's kind of big. Like I said, I need a small portion. So these onions will also help in case you are having dandruff and the rest. I'll be including my onions on this. Not whenever you lose your hair, you will keep inching. Try include onions on your hair treatment. Then I'll go ahead and blend it to paste. This is it. So I have to include my oats, quicken oats, just a little bit. Yes, I included the quicken oats. Then I blended everything together. I'm transferring it into a bowl. After combining all these ingredients, I transfer it into the bowl. I can see me. I don't want anyone to remain inside my blender. So for this is for the treatment, we'll be using aloe vera, rice, oats, cloves, also known as zobo pepper, raw egg, honey, and all these ingredients are included here. It's a natural home treatment you can also try on your hair. For this treatment, is very good for healthy, especially if you are keeping a natural Nigeria African hair. These ingredients will work together to soften and strengthen Annabelle's hair, giving it that extra bounce and shine. Now I have unraveled the weave on Annabelle's hair before applying this treatment to allow it to fully penetrate and work its magic. So I'll go ahead now and apply it. I will be dividing her hair into small portion. I'll be parting her hair into small portion. This will give it an extra bounce and shine. Now before applying this treatment, make sure you to allow it to fully penetrate. You need to unravel your hair, you need to loosen your hair. So I'm combining this aloe vera, rice, onions, pepper, cloves, zobo pepper, raw egg to create this nourishing hair treatment for Annabelle. So just watch as the treatment is applied, transforming Annabelle's hair with its natural goodness. Yeah, so I'm just going ahead to part her hair into smaller portion, just smaller. I'll cut it small. I don't even know the English to use it. So I'll just cut it smaller, and thank God she's cooperating a little bit. Yes, so with all her commands, she need her phone. So I'm just trying my best not to be careful, to be careful, so she will not, show me her real self. So I'm going to use my hand to make sure that I massage this ingredient, natural organic ingredient, from the root of her hair. You can see her hair is so full, so I need that ingredient to go around, and make sure I start from the root. I will touch it from the root. I have to massage from the root of my hair, from the damp part after cutting. So after including this ingredient, I will go ahead and twist it together. To know the part I've already added the ingredient, I will just twist it, and make sure that it's not touching her, because she will just show you her real self. When this thing touch, everything irritates her. So I will still go ahead to cut smaller portion. This is what I will keep doing till I finish applying this ingredient on her hair. I will keep collecting smaller portion, keep adding the ingredients we blended together. Remember the ingredients listed. So this is it. I will go ahead to massage. You can see Annabelle have a very long, full, bouncy hair. Yes, she's blessed with a natural full hair. So that's I'm always careful whatsoever hairstyle I'm making, or whatever thing I'm including in her hair. I'm so careful. I say I will not include relaxer on this hair. So all these ingredients I'm adding is to help her hair, soften the hair, and so whenever I'm combing it, she will not feel the pain. She's still tender, she's still small. So that's why I see some mothers or some parents will go ahead and include relaxer or add relaxer on their little ones here. To me, I don't think is the normal thing to do, because she's already blessed with a beautiful hair. So I'm trying my possible best to do some research and know what to include and what not to include, just to help her soften the hair, because we know African hair is very, very, very strong. So whatever thing we are including, we need to be careful what you include in your hair. You know that there are some hair cream in the market, or some treatment in the market you can also buy, but I think the DIY is better for me, because I'm sure of what I'm using. I did it myself, and I know that it's not overstay. I have to make use of all the ingredients I blended together. I'll make sure I apply it on this hair. So this is it, guys. Our hair treatment, natural organic hair, is it's natural goodness, and it's so, you can see what I'm doing. Make sure you touch every part. You cut, you massage, you arrange, just make sure that you touch every part of the hair, and don't miss any part. So there we go. So she keep complaining. So we'll keep massaging the hair. We'll keep trying our way. Here we go. This is the last one. I will go ahead to make sure I scoop everything from the plate. There we go, all done. Annabelle's hair is now ready to soak in all the nourishment from our homemade organic treatment. Yes, guys, thank you for watching our natural hair treatment journey with Annabelle. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more video from the Ugonna's family. See you on our next video. Bye.